Jonny builds unbreakable things.
Welcome back to another episode of Jonny LightWELD. In this episode, I'm continuing work on the transmission tunnel exhaust. I am using multiple pie cuts that I trimmed and fit into place. As you can see, I'm holding them in place with clamps until I get them tacked. I'm using these pie cuts to create a Y kind of joining fitment so that the two exhaust pipes will Y into the single 5-inch exhaust pipe. As you can see, there are a lot of tack welds that are needed here. After I get all the pieces tacked, I'll go back and weld these seams. As in the last episode, I'm using a standard A2 setting on the LightWELD at 550 watts, plus 50% on the wobble length, and a wire feed speed of 15 inches per minute with 0.45 wire. A little bit later, when I fill in that gap there, what I did was I used the same setting, but I dropped the wattage to 500 watts and I increased the wire feed speed to 20 inches per minute to give it a little bit more fill. I'm using the clamp here to close that gap and tack it in place. Then, as I just mentioned, I'll weld that seam and fill it in with wire. The LightWELD is great for this type of exhaust work with stainless steel. If you do any kind of custom exhaust work or fabrication, I really would recommend trying out LightWELD and see how it compares to what you're using now. And that's it for this part. I'll be welding this to the oval pipe from the last episode as I continue working on the exhaust for the Trans Am. Happy welding, and I'll see you next time.